Welcome to Ryan LLP's YouTube channel. Today we are discussing auto collisions and insurance coverage in Ohio. Understanding Ohio's car accident laws and regulations is essential to ensuring you are properly covered in the event of an auto wreck. Ohio follows a fault system where the driver liability must first be established to determine where the available insurance coverage lies. In accordance with the fault system, those responsible for causing accidents must pay compensation to an injured party or property damage that occurred as a result. Drivers within the state must carry liability insurance at a minimum amount of $25,000 per person for bodily injury and $50,000 of total bodily injury per occurrence. They must also cover $25,000 of property damage per incident. If you look at your declarations page that's provided by your insurance company, you'll see several sections. First will be the liability section that will declare the limits of liability. There will be two numbers separated by a slash. For example, $25,50 or $25,000, $50,000. This means that the most an insurance company would pay an injured party is $25,000, and the maximum amount for all injury claims for per incident is $50,000. If you've been involved in a car accident, understanding Ohio's laws and regulations around fault is important if you need insurance coverage. Ryan LLP is here to help demystify these complexities. Our commitment to provide an unparalleled service, professionalism, and responsiveness has made us a leader in the legal community for over 50 years. So call us today to discuss all options that are available to you. We're here to provide insight, advice, and experience navigating car accident claims across the state of Ohio. So don't hesitate, call Ryan LLP today, and we look forward to hearing from you.